Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to reset Snapchat password if you forgotten. Firstly open Snapchat and type your ID of Snapchat, then type any wrong password and log in. As you can see appears on screen, oops we could not matching. Now you just tap on forgot your password. As you can see, please choose how you want to reset your password via phone number, via email. Just tap via phone. Now type in your trusted phone number and continue. Send via SMS, tap on it. Now get a code, enter here the code, enter the code and continue. It will take some wait few seconds. Enter new password and verify password and continue. As you can see appears on screen, your password has been updated. Go back on Snapchat and enter the password and log in. Tap on allow and your Snapchat is ready to use. Hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.